Welcome to Concord Township. My name is Frank Krask. I'm the service director. Let us take you behind the scenes of our snowplow operation.
Concord Township and its beautiful tree-topped hills can be found at the southernmost portion of Lake County. Travel routes in Concord Township consist of Ohio State routes, Lake County roads, and township subdivisions and side streets. Winter maintenance requires the Ohio Department of Transportation, Lake County Road Department, and Concord Service Department to work in unison to provide the best response to the ever-changing weather conditions experienced in this lake effect community. Concord Township can attribute the majority of its winter weather conditions to lake effect snow. Lake effect snow develops during cooler atmospheric conditions when cold winds move across the long expanse of Lake Erie's warmer water, providing energy while picking up water vapor. This water vapor in turn freezes and is deposited as snow or sleet on the leeward side of the lake. The same effect is enhanced when the moving air mass is uplifted by the orographic influence of higher elevation, such as in Concord Township. This uplifting condition can produce narrow but very intense bands of precipitation, which can deposit multiple inches of snow per hour for the duration of any given event. These events place Concord right in the snow belt of Ohio. Once the call-out is placed in action, crews arrive at our facilities on Ravenna Road. First, they thoroughly inspect their equipment, then load each truck with approximately 8 tons of rock salt, which should meet the needs for their given route. Concord Township has 6 primary routes per shift to plow and salt over 140 lane miles of roadway, and that mileage is doubled when they complete a second cleanup pass, which is required. In major snow events, the fleet can be expanded during overlapping shifts to add to the response. The department's strategy is to make an initial opening pass on each road, followed by treating hills, curves, and intersections with rock salt. Part of the process requires snowplow operators to first clear the intersection prior to entering the side street. This may require 2 or 3 passes along the intersection and is a difficult maneuver for the operator as they have a limited view behind them, and often vehicles traveling behind them fail to recognize the truck's activity and do not yield to allow them to complete this activity. If it is snowing, visibility can further be reduced. Vehicles traveling behind snowplows should always allow 3 or more vehicle lengths, presuming this activity will occur at the next intersection encountered. Once the snowplow enters the side street, they will plow a center pass each way to open the road, and if they encounter a cul-de-sac, they will make a reverse pass to ensure that it is open until the second cleanup pass is completed later in the shift. As the snowplow operator encounters start-stop points, curves, and hills, they apply rock salt to help in traction and control of vehicles traveling through that area. Often forgotten is one of the main reasons the township's response to a snow event is critical, and that is to ensure emergency vehicles are able to reach any given destination and then making those areas safe around them. Those traveling in vehicles should use reasonable caution when approaching emergency vehicles. The second pass is what we call the pushback pass to either the curb or the road edge. Trucks travel between 15 to 18 miles per hour, which often appears faster when the snow is coming off the blade. Roads with mailboxes add another level of difficulty which requires constant accuracy, as you can see how close the operator has to maneuver around them in order to push the snow back to an adequate location. Many residents have taken advantage of the township's mailbox snow shield program that adds an additional layer of protection for their mailbox and ensures no disruption in mail service. The Snow Shield program is available to Concord Township residents for the price of the materials and is installed by township personnel.